you want to win free ebooks? Do you want to win Amazon gift voucher? And do you want to win one-to-one call with me? Then this is for you. Hey everyone, Akshay Rajshekaran coming here. I'm super excited and pumped up to tell you I'm coming up with a 2.0 launch of consulting championship and the flagship program Facebook Attraction Marketing. People from around 15 different countries have become part of the program. We have people just from beginner level who is not making any money, $0, $100, $1,000, $10,000 to all the way until even 2 Comma Club winners in my program, and who have got amazing results, and we have created so many different case studies. Now the point of me making this video is I want to make sure that all of my customers, all of the people know the cutting edge strategies from very basic to super advanced things, right? It can be a very basic term in sales, like ROI, return of investment, to advanced technologies terms, right? Like ARR, MRR, monthly recurring revenue, everything what is required to start and grow the consulting business. See, I'm nowhere different, right? I'm just like you, just like an ordinary person. I oftentimes do mistakes. So many of you guys have given me feedback to improve the spellings, all those things. That's amazing. Now my point I want to tell you is I want to create the best amazing consulting program so that you will be able to get the results quick and fast. My only focus is how I can reduce the time, right? There are programs out there, some programs it's 100 hours, some are 200 hours, some programs are 500 hours. Do you think someone has so much time to watch 100 hours content? It's extremely difficult, right? And that's why I am here for you. I want to bridge the gap, right, from where you are right now and where you want to be in the most easiest way. I'm going to tell you, right? I'm trained by some of the world's best incredible people, right? And I have implemented on my own self. Right now, you guys tell me what you want to learn when it comes down to consulting. I'm showing you a full stack knowledge, right? Everything from 6 pillars: mindset, afterwards niche, offer, business model, sales process, consulting, all these things step by step, no stone untouched. You just tell me what you want to learn, and we are going to customize so that you'll be able to get amazing results, right? What ebooks you want me to create, what SOPs you want to know, which software how to use, whether it can be ClickFunnels to all the way to very basic software, anything it can be, right? You guys just give me the feedback, right? Because I'm always there to serve you in the best possible way. That is what I done from my mentors, right? You what the customer wants, and that's why I'm making this video for you guys. Okay, do let me know once after you have commented, let me know, and you can win amazing goodies, right? Everybody gets the free ebooks, all those things, and the best person who actually comments long comment, right? Constructive criticism also is allowed. You can tell me, and based on that I'm going to give you amazing value, right? Do let me know if you're watching this live, put hashtag live replay, and tell me your views, what you want to learn, right? And let's make this 2022 the best year ever in your life. And we are having everything. All we need is a good internet, smartphone, and you can rock and roll, right? And do let me know, guys, and that's all for now. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye. See you.